Hey everybody, this was not a planned training, so forgive me if I kind of stumble along here, totally unscripted. But I'm in the process of putting together the training on how to duplicate and customize an AIOP share code page. And the next part of the training, I'm going to show people how to edit or add their own individual images onto the capture pages if they want to be able to do that. And in order to be able to do that, what needs to happen is you need to have the actual link or the URL for each of the images. Okay, you're not going to be able to just copy and paste. You're not going to be able to upload and save onto All-in-One Profits the same as you can when you set up the background image. Okay, the images, any individual images on the capture pages inside of All-in-One Profits is totally different than saving the background image. So the easiest way that I know of to do this, I'm sure there's an easier way, but this is just, I've been doing it this way for a long time, is I use Blogger, which is a simple little easy to use free blogging platform available from Google. So as long as anyone who has a Gmail account is going to be able to set themselves up a free Blogger blog. And then what this is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to any images that you have saved onto your computer or your device, you can actually post those images, or have those images on your Blogger blog. Okay, you can embed them onto your Blogger blog. Super easy. And that way, once those images are being hosted on the Blogger blog, they are encrypted, they are secure, they have an HTTPS secure URL for the image. So it works out absolutely perfectly using Blogger as a way to host your images so that you'll be able to use those on the AIOP pages. So the first thing we'll do is I'm just going to we'll get into one of my Gmail accounts here. Okay, just as if you're logging into your normal Gmail. That's exactly what I'm doing, right? And once you log into Gmail, second here, sorry about the delay. So the way you find Blogger from inside of your Gmail, now I'm using Chrome, Google Chrome. If you're using a different web browser, it might look different for you, but as long as you're in your Gmail account somewhere inside, you're going to be able to find the Blogger blogging app. Okay, for the view that I have here, it's right over here in this little 3 dot by 3 dot area. You click it open and you just scroll down until you see Blogger, right? When you click on the Blogger for the first time, it's going to open and it's going to look like this. Okay, real simple. You don't have to create a new account because it's already linked to your Google account, and it's already associated with the specific Gmail address that you're using right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, up here on the right hand side, whoops, sorry about that, I disconnected an HDMI. Up here on the right side, all you do is you just click the sign in. And then I'm just going to pick the same Gmail address, and when you do it for the first time, you're probably just going to have to sign back into your Gmail again. But I'm already logged into that Gmail account, and I've already set up a blog here on this particular Gmail address. So for me, it opens right up. But it's real simple, just like that, no big deal. Okay. Now, as long as we're here, I might as well show you how to set one up real quick. So I'm just going to go to this drop down where it says new blog, right? So when you're doing this for the first time, this is what you would do. Okay. Choose a name for your blog. I'm just going to do, we'll just call it Rockin' Team Blog. How about that? I'll go to next, and it says I need to create the actual blogspot address. So I'll just do the same thing again, Rockin' Team Blog. Should be all right. I'm just going to save it. Processing, save. All right, good to go. Now, what you can do right now is you can just scroll down and view the blog. And this is what it looks like right now, okay? If I'm not happy with that, then I have the option to go to theme, and I can pick any different theme I want, okay? We're not going to go into all of this because I just want to show you how to download images from your computer onto a simple Blogger blog, just so they're encrypted, secure, you have a URL. So we're just going to go back to, we're going to leave these the way they are, and I'm just going to click on new post. Okay, trust me, we'll have a follow-up on Blogger and go a little more into detail in the weeks to come, but for today we're just going to host the images, right? So new post, here we go. Inside of the post, up in the top, you're going to write a title. So I'm just going to call this My Saved Pictures. I apologize for stumbling around on my words a little bit as I'm talking, but I've been having massive internet issues lately, and I'm trying to hurry through this before I lose my internet. Okay, My Saved Pictures. I'm just super simple title. Now all I want to do is I want to take some pictures that I have saved on my computer and get them onto this blog, so that I will publish onto this blog, so that I'll be able to come back and then use these images that are saved on this blog and have those put onto the AIOP sharecode page. So right up here is the insert an image. So I'm just going to open it up, upload from computer. I'm going to choose files. I'm going to go to images. And for this example, I'm just going to, let's just take something from rock. So I just type rock in, and okay, we'll take this one. Alright. I'm not sure where that came from. It's not a real banner. Now I want to save this full size, so I'm going to click on it, and the editor appears, and I'm going to click on this pencil, and this says original size already. I guess it's pretty small, and then we'll just click update, right? And then I'm going to publish it, confirm. Alright, so now here is the post we just created, My Saved Pictures, and when I open that up, My Saved Pictures. We'll do one more real quick here. Upload from computer, choose file. We'll be coming right back here after this video as we continue with the AIOP sharecode page training. So you'll be able to see how I come back and grab these pictures. Alright, we'll just take a little top secret with $3. And select, boom, click on it, editor, pencil, original size, update. That's kind of big. Cool. Good enough. Update. Alright. So now, in the upper left hand corner, you see the little arrow back. That's just going to take us back to our control page. And if you scroll down on the left, it's going to say View Blog. You can see Rockin' Team Blog, My Saved Pictures. Okay, read more. That'll open up the actual page we just published. And there you go, My Saved Pictures. There's our 2 images. We'll be able to come back here and grab these 2 images and insert them onto the AIOP sharecode page that we're training on. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.